I'm Abhay Soni and I'll be explaining our OSS project, which is a non-Rust Servo project. So Servo is implementing a rendering engine for web content from scratch. So the idea of the OSS project is to create a web page fuzzer, which is going to randomly generate valid HTML pages, and then load those HTML files in Servo, and also load those same files in some other web browsers such as Firefox or Chrome, and then compare them. Like if Firefox is generating the web page in a different way compared to Servo, we see that there's a mismatch, and then we report that mismatch. So basically, the first part of the project is to basically have a code generator, valid HTML files. So I'll be explaining that code first. So the idea of the project is to have several different fonts, several different styles, alignments, different types of font weights. So this is like the most famous combinations of web content out there. So this is what we have narrowed it down to: normal, italic, oblique, normal, bold, center alignment, left alignment, and these are some of the most commonly used fonts. So we have shortlisted those here, and then what we are going to do is we are going to start a HTML document, and then basically start creating head elements and headers of different size, and then put random sentences based on random words. And so there's a function for each of these things. So random words, basically what it does is, for a string ASCII lowercase, some random word of length of random range between 2 to 10 is generated, and these random words are then accumulated together in the random sentence function, which is calling the random word function here. So this is how like sentence is created, and basically this is accumulated together to create a random section, and there are a lot of different sections. So basically I'll show you how this works by demoing this code. So we're already in the repository, so I'll show you how this works. So it says that file HTML101234, we have currently restricted number of files to 5, so it is creating 5 different files. So I'll show you how it is. Random web content generator, and you have like five different files here, HTML files. I'll show you how one of these each files look. So just a second. Yeah, so here it is. So basically what we are doing is, like, each word is randomly generated between a length of 2 to 10, and then these words are accumulated together as a sentence. As you can see a full stop here. So basically each sentence is then accumulated to create a whole paragraph, and this paragraph is then provided a CSS style. So this is what a random HTML files look like, and this is all 5 different files look a lot different from each other, as there are a lot of combinations possible. So this is how one of the HTML files look like. So this was the first part of the project, which was random web content generator. So after doing this, I'll basically show you how we are automating Servo to take render this files and take a screenshot and then save it. Thank you.